Hi everybody, it's Miss Hazel and Miss Kate, ready for fun art today.
Okay, hi friends.
So today we need this piece of paper and some things to draw with to make circles. And so Miss Hazel's going to show us. Now she's going to trace the different circles onto her paper using a crayon. Okay, we got using a crayon.
Okay, got my crayon. I'm going to use black. So oh no, maybe I'm going to use this one. It's a good color.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Crayon.
So she's tracing a circle. When she's doing it, she's going around. She's holding it with one hand and going around. And then she's going to move the circle so it overlaps the first one. And then, okay, don't come too close because you come out of the screen. And then she'll maybe switch up to a different one. That's an old applesauce container from school. Because as you know, Miss Hazel and I don't throw anything away. We like to use those for paint
Miss Kate,
later.
I have a crazy idea. I'm going to switch my color.
Okay, she's switching her color. Now, she'll add a few more circles. And then we're going to get to the next part of this, which is so fun. And it will take you a little while. So you just have to be patient.
Circle doesn't have to be perfect either. Just do your best to get a circle on there. Okay. Is that enough, Miss Kate?
That's enough. Okay, so now, see all these different sections here? There's a section here, there's a part here, there's the big circle, but then there are all these little parts from overlapping. So Miss Hazel's going to color in those different sections with different colors and try not to have the same color touch in a separate section. You could color the whole thing in that way, like she is. Or you could do something like this. I wasn't sure where you were going with that. So do something a little bit different. And you could have multiple colors in there, of course. Like maybe you want to do lines and then color in the other sections with a different color. That's all good. She's doing some lines there.
Miss Kate, I'm going to make a stripe.
Okay. She's making a stripe.
Be creative.
It's really fun. It's really fun to color. I enjoy coloring.
Love to color.
Oops, now she's going over here.
Oh, yeah, except I kind of didn't do exactly what I wanted to do, so I'm just going to color right over it. There are no mistakes in art. It's all good. Okay, I'm going to go for a different color, Miss Kate.
Okay, so we have our box of crayons right here. We have a lot of crayons in this box. So they're just sitting there waiting for
Miss Kate, do I have to use crayons for this project?
No, you could really use whatever you want. We just happen to have crayons in here in our office, so we're using crayons. You could use markers. You could use markers and crayons.
What? That's crazy.
You could paint this if you wanted to.
What?
Except just so you know, this copy paper will get very soggy and wet if you use
this one.
watercolors.
This is kind of like a double color. Look at that.
Yep, there you go.
It's going to be fancy. Okay. All right, sky's the limit.
You can do whatever you want. You can just do color in the circles, or you can also color in circles and the outside.
You could do
whatever
the
you want
outside
to do
too. Ooh,
is really okay.
You could do like sun rays coming out of the whole end. You could put as many or as few circles on your paper as well.
It's just a fun thing to do. It'll take some time. And because we do have a lot of time.
We do have a lot of time on our hands these days.
You have time to fill. It's great.
Yes, that's right. Okay.
Okay, so we're going to show you one finished one.
Oh, this one I took a little more time on.
So this is Miss Hazel's.
Yes, first I was just coloring them all one color, and then I thought, oh, I can do different things. So
she was noticing some shapes, like maybe some of them kind of look like ladybugs or something.
Yeah, when I painted this one, I thought it looked like a little bit like a ladybug. Yeah.
So there you go. Okay, so this looks like a fun one. We're going to do this with our Zoom class tomorrow.
Don't forget to bring your supplies.
And remember, anytime that you're doing this, you can stop and rewind in any of our videos. Oops,
stop, rewind, watch again.
Okay, so anyway, that's what we're going to do. We'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.